Today, we witness a calculated move from the East. Chery's Fulwin A9 has arrived, and it is not just a car. It is a tactical statement. While the world focused on screens and software, China shifted its focus back to the physical foundation. This is the beginning of a new era in sedan engineering. Let's decode the shift. I'm Ava. Let's begin. Let us take a moment to absorb the visual authority of the Fulwin A9. At first glance, you are not just looking at a sedan, you are looking at a masterclass in fluid dynamics. The wind-sculpted design language isn't just a marketing phrase, it is a technical necessity. Notice the monolithic front fascia. The grille-less design and the starlight LED signature aren't just for show, they house the sophisticated sensor arrays that act as the vehicle's peripheral vision. Look at the silhouette. The roofline flows in a single, uninterrupted arc from the A-pillar to the integrated rear spoiler. This is aero efficiency at an elite level. By minimizing turbulence over the greenhouse, Fulwin has achieved a drag coefficient that rivals the most expensive European flagships. Every line you see serves a dual purpose: aesthetic elegance and range preservation. Now, observe the power shoulders over the rear wheels. It gives the A9 a predatory stance, a visual representation of the torque waiting beneath the surface. The 20-inch aerodynamic wheels are not just rotating mass. They're designed to extract heat from the braking system while smoothing the airflow along the sides. But the real magic is in the structural honesty. The way the body panels meet with surgical precision, the gaps are almost non-existent. This level of build quality suggests a manufacturing process that is highly automated and obsessed with tolerances. The Fulwin A9 doesn't just sit on the road, it dominates it. It feels dense. It feels expensive. It feels like a machine that was built to outlast its contemporaries. This is the new face of Chinese luxury: disciplined, digital, and undeniably powerful. The interior architecture of the Fulwin A9 is where digital intuition meets artisan precision. We are moving beyond the era of clutter. This is minimalist dominance. Notice the horizontal orientation of the dashboard. It is designed to expand your visual field, creating a sense of infinite space. The materials are a masterclass in tactile honesty. We are not looking at synthetic imitations. We are looking at high-grade, sustainable textures that have been laser-cut for absolute zero-tolerance fitment. Run your eyes over the stitching on the door panels. It is flawless. This level of craftsmanship is usually reserved for bespoke European commissions, yet here it is, democratized for the tech-forward driver. Observe the central command center. The high-definition interface is powered by a dual-chip neural network that doesn't just respond to your touch, it anticipates your intent. The ambient lighting system is not merely decorative, it is a biometric feedback tool, subtly shifting its spectrum to maintain driver alertness or promote relaxation during long-range cruises. And then there is the acoustic engineering. Fulwin has utilized multi-layer acoustic glass and active noise cancellation algorithms to create a vault of tranquility. Within this cabin, the chaos of the outside world is digitally filtered out. It is more than an interior. It is a high-compute environment designed to protect your most valuable asset, your mental clarity. This is the new definition of a flagship sanctuary. Now, the heart of the machine, the 70-kilowatt-hour Rhino Battery. Why Rhino? Because it is built like armor. This system uses a high-density, structural cage design. It doesn't just sit in the chassis, it is the chassis. Using cell-to-body technology, the Rhino Battery provides a level of protection that most EVs simply cannot match. It is Energies or Landme's armored. Safety is not a feature here. It is the prime directive. The Rhino Battery can withstand extreme vertical and lateral pressure. In a high-velocity impact, the energy is diverted through the battery's reinforced frame, acting as a kinetic shield for the occupants. This is a fortress on wheels. It is the peace of mind that only true engineering can buy. Does the range actually improve? The answer is in the thermal management. The Rhino system optimizes energy discharge so efficiently that, in hybrid configurations, it targets a staggering 1,500-kilometer mark. This isn't just about a bigger tank, it is about a smarter flow. Efficiency is the new horsepower. To truly understand the Fulwin A9, we must look at the giants it intends to displace. When we place the A9 alongside its European and American counterparts, the disparity in structural density becomes glaringly obvious. Most legacy manufacturers are currently trapped in a cycle of incremental innovation, adding larger screens to distract from aging architectures. Fulwin has taken the opposite path. While a standard executive sedan relies on traditional spot welding and modular frames, the A9 utilizes its Rhino battery as a foundational pillar of its rigidity. In a side-by-side technical evaluation, the A9 offers higher torsional stiffness than rivals, costing twice its price. This is the liquidation of the brand tax. We are seeing a shift where the premium label is no longer defined by a century-old badge, but by the silicon-to-steel ratio. Whether compared to the American leaders in software or the German masters of poise, the Fulwin A9 bridges the gap by offering flagship-level safety and range without the flagship-level compromise to your capital. It is not just competing, it is recalibrating the value of the entire segment. This is what happens when engineering efficiency meets industrial scale. Here is the most critical detail. The Fulwin A9 proves that safety is the ultimate luxury. Should you buy it? If you are a pragmatist who demands a vehicle that acts as a guardian, if you value processing power and structural honesty, then the answer is a resounding yes. The final verdict is clear. The Fulwin A9 is a landmark achievement in industrial democratization. It is intelligent, it is indestructible, and it is undeniably the new benchmark. I am Ava, and I will see you in the next analysis.